In today's video, I am cleaning the outside of my countertops. I get distracted and I clean the inside of my microwave. I clean my appliances and then I get distracted again and I clean some really gross stuff under my appliances. So stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Tiny Tidy Tuesdays are my absolute favorite days of the week because if we do a little tiny tidy each week, we can make so much progress in our homes. As always, I would love to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting this collaboration and putting it together every week. Please go check out her channel and show her some love and check out the rest of the playlist as well. In today's video, this is part 7 of me cleaning in my kitchen, and I am cleaning the outside of the cabinets. I've already cleaned the inside in previous videos. I also wiped down some appliances and do a few other things. This tiny tidy was supposed to be tiny, but it ended up being a little more complex than that, which sometimes happens in life. So as I'm editing this video, I'm reflecting on distractions that we often have in life, whether we've set a goal for something or maybe we're trying to achieve something. In this particular situation, my goal was to clean the outside of my cabinets and my drawers. I have spent weeks organizing the insides and decluttering and making them look nice, and I wanted the outside to shine just as much as the inside, so I armed myself with a step stool, some wood cleaner, and a microfiber cloth, and at this exact moment I looked down at my microwave. And when I looked down at my microwave, I was immediately distracted because I saw a filter, and on that filter I saw what looked like dirt or dust. I continued to clean some of the cabinets, but that filter was on my mind, and it was like I knew that I could not finish cleaning the rest of the cabinets and drawers until I had cleaned the filter in the microwave. And sometimes with life, maybe we have a goal and we have a distraction that's either just something unexpected comes up, or maybe we distract ourselves, like we get on social media and think, I'm just going to scroll through TikTok for a minute. And we end up wasting a lot of time on TikTok. Although I do not think this was a waste of time, I did just get distracted, and I did end up actually right after this, I went back to my microwave and I was like, okay, I'm just going to take this vacuum cleaner and I'm going to clean out the dust. Guess what? The vacuum cleaner did not clean out the dust. I should have left that distraction alone. Hindsight's always 20/20, saved it for another day because this is a tiny tidy, but instead I ended up taking the microwave apart to get that filter clean. And once I had the microwave taken apart, then I looked at the inside of the microwave and I'm like, oh my goodness, I have not cleaned my microwave in a while. And I was not armed with the appropriate tools to clean my microwave. So I just used a sponge and soapy water to clean out the inside of it. But it was just like one thing led to another. So it was like I had this one distraction and then I just kept getting distracted by other things. And it just reminded me of times in my life when I have really wanted to achieve a goal and I have gotten distracted by something, and then something else comes along and distracts me, and I end up taking so much time to achieve my goal because I am giving in to all of these distractions. Although sometimes distractions do have their time and their place, it is so good to remain focused and just on the goal that you have set in mind.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
If you are new to my channel, I would just like to take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher. I am a heart warrior, and you can find a variety of content here on my channel centered around homemaking, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Back to distractions. When I was sitting in the floor cleaning the bottom cabinets, my eyes started to look at the appliances, especially whenever I am cleaning the cabinet under the sink, and I looked at the dishwasher and I was like, the dishwasher really needs to be clean. So I ended up cleaning the dishwasher, the stove, and the refrigerator and making them look as shiny as possible.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get
As I was cleaning the refrigerator and I was leaning down to clean the bottom, a dust bunny under the refrigerator caught my eye. So I remembered a brush that I had and I started cleaning out from under the appliances. So that was just another distraction that I gave into on this particular day.
Stronger than I ever been. I'll work it out again. Stronger than I ever been.
So basically, instead of moving their whole refrigerator, which I did not have time to do, or the other appliances, I just used this long brush, and then I was just taking my vacuum cleaner and dusting it off because it had so much dust on it every time I would pull it out. And in just a minute, I go over to my oven, and whenever I stick this thing under the oven, a Dorito and some other things come out from under the oven, and that is pretty gross because we have not had Doritos in our home in years. So that means that it has been that long that the Dorito has sat under the oven, which kind of grosses me out to think about that. So do not forget to clean out under your appliance. You see, there's the Dorito. I mean, that is just like, honestly, knowing that it's been years since we've had a Dorito in our house and there was one under the oven, oh my goodness, it's just so gross to know that it was just lingering there.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let you say.
Now I'm in my dishwasher, which was my last distraction. I recently saw that you were supposed to clean the filter in your dishwasher like every 3 months or something like that. We've lived in our house for 16 years and I've never cleaned the filter, so I was expecting this huge gross mess, but honestly, it was fine. There was just maybe a little dust on it and that was all, so I was able to clean that up and put it back up. But in the comments, let me know if there's anything, like any goals or anything that you are trying to achieve that you keep getting distracted from.
I'll be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel so much when you do that. I am behind on comments, but I will get back to you as soon as I can. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.